What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. Here is my Chevy. It's 1990 Chevy 1 G20 and the engine is a 6.2 diesel. And in this video I will try to take out the ignition switch. And in this Chevy, the ignition switch should be somewhere there on the steering pole. So I have to take out first this one. This one from here and this one from here, and then 4 of these. And then the pole should come a little bit down, and then I probably can get my hands on the ignition switch. Now I managed to get some more room in here. You can see the ignition switch, it's this one. And you can see when I turn the key, you can see that part is moving there, and it's changing the position of the ignition switch. Now the power is on, and now it should start there, and now the power is off. Now I just hope that I have to take only 2 bolts, this little one from here and the second one from there. There you can see, I think this wire is the ground, so I just take that bolt also, and I hope after that I can take the ignition switch off. Of course I have to take out those wires from the other side. Okay, only 2 bolts, it would have been too easy. I hope you can see it. Yeah, there is also a 3rd bolt. It's actually, is it the screw? Maybe. I just have to take that also out. I don't know how. Oh yes, I managed to get this switch off. Only 3 bolts and some wires. It was actually quite easy to take off. Today I had only a short time to fix this car, so in next video we will find out how this works. And if this one is totally broken, so then we know that if I have to find a new one. I think this might be gone, but we shall see. Thanks for watching, and if you have some ideas or tips for this ignition switch, I would appreciate your advice a lot. Please give me some comments and give me some thumbs up or maybe thumbs down if you didn't like this video. And see you soon!